Mastering Kitchen English, the art of adding milk slowly. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through practical examples. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that often pops up in cooking and baking recipes: slowly add the milk. Understanding these instructions is not just about language. It's about bringing a recipe to life in the best possible way. Let's break it down together and make sure you can follow any recipe with confidence. The phrase, slowly add the milk, is a clear, straightforward instruction you'll find in recipes, especially when making dishes like sauces, batters, or custards. But what does it really mean? Breaking it down, slowly, implies a gradual, controlled action. It's not about dumping the milk in all at once. It's about adding it bit by bit. Add means to put something into a mix or combination. The milk specifies what ingredient you should be adding. So, when a recipe instructs you to slowly add the milk, it's guiding you to gradually incorporate the milk into your mixture to achieve a specific texture and consistency. You might wonder why recipes emphasize the word slowly. This method is crucial for several reasons. Preventing curdling, especially in hot mixtures. Adding milk too quickly can shock and curdle it, ruining the smooth texture. Ensuring even mixing. Gradual addition allows the milk to blend thoroughly with other ingredients, avoiding lumps. Controlling consistency. It helps you manage the final thickness of your dish, allowing for adjustments as you go. By following this instruction carefully, you ensure that your dish turns out perfectly smooth and delicious. To slowly add the milk, you'll need to 1. Measure the milk beforehand so you're ready. 2. Start with your mixture at the right temperature, as specified by your recipe. 3. Pour the milk in a thin, steady stream, or add it in small increments. 4. Continuously stir or whisk the mixture as you add the milk to combine them evenly. Remember, patience is key here. Rushing this step can lead to less desirable results in your cooking or baking. We hope this video has shed some light on the simple, yet important instruction to slowly add the milk. By understanding and applying this technique, you'll find that your kitchen endeavors are more successful and satisfying. Happy cooking and baking, everyone! Remember, every word in a recipe is a step towards creating something wonderful. Stay tuned for more English language learning tips through practical everyday scenarios. See you in the next video.